Many people wonder if the sky is the limit, if space isn't that amazing. But what if someone told you there are dark voids in space that move at high speeds and eat everything? Would you believe them? Would you be afraid? Melanohelios. Melos meaning black in Greek, helios meaning sun in Greek. This name is commonly known as black hole. All black holes have a few simple reasons of being a threat to timeless galaxies and hold many more reasons to be afraid of them in general. The so-called rim of a black hole is known as the event horizon, which is where it will start to pull in all objects near its reach. Most of the time they are inactive, but when they are active they begin to consume stars and gas, and the region close to the black hole can outshine the entire galaxy that hosts them and consume light itself while simultaneously slowing down time as you near it before all known life gets stretched into a line of atoms and is played havoc with. This is known as spaghettification. A black hole itself has no visual, as it consumes light, so vision is sort of an issue between that, so it cannot be seen until light is behind it and you begin to see space distort. This is due to Einstein's discovery in general relativity. Light follows the curvature of space-time, so when light is bent or distorted around an object, it is due to its immeasurably large and powerful mass. The density and sheer weight of a black hole is so immense that scientists say it might have a near, non-scientifically infinite. NASA scientists have identified the smallest visible black holes yet, called stellar black holes. I say that because there could even be some the size of an atom or a penny, and they're called primordial black holes. And, of course, in most things primordial tends to mean the beginning, which would explain their very small size. And even with such small sizes, these could end all of humanity and the moon in one pop, and that is because their mass is probably similar to that of Earth's, even as the size of a penny. Before I continue, let me try to explain these seemingly illogical singularities. When you crush some snow, it goes from quick melting and weak to solid and colder. Crush it even more and it becomes ice. Crush enough of it, let's say the size of Earth, and crush it into a peanut, and you cause a black hole. To put it simply, they are a form of pressure no object in this universe can compete with. It takes around 20, followed by 67 zeros, to lose roughly 0.0000000000001% of its mass. That is, of course, longer than the universe has existed. Scary, I know. If you can recall its meaning, the stellar black hole is just 3.8 times the mass of the Sun, in a star system in the Milky Way known as XTE J1650-500. The next smallest black hole, spotted in 1994, weighed in at 6.3 solar masses. Bearing in mind, one solar mass is the mass of our Sun. Now take that into consideration, that is 1 million Earths. Now let us move to a slightly larger black hole. There is OJ287 secondary. This black hole is 18.35 billion solar masses and counting. Now remember that there are 1 million Earths in one singular solar mass. We wouldn't have even known it existed for more than a second, while the universe wouldn't have even known we existed for more than a second either. This isn't the end. TON 618 was listed by the Mexican astronomers Braulio Iriarte and Enrique Chavira as entry number 618 in the Tonantzil catalogue, coming at 66 billion solar masses. The size of this entity is so large it has earned the title of the known universe's biggest singularity. 23 solar systems could fit inside of this titled ultramassive black hole. Honestly, fear is a natural reaction to something this immense and powerful that we have no control of, that could head straight towards us at any point. Bearing in mind, the nearest one is a few light years away, so please, unless you are a billion years in the future, you do not need to worry. Thank you for listening.